Visit our website and click through to our location finder. Key in your postcode for a list of stores close to where you live. You can use our cleaning calculator to help you decide how long you will need to hire the machine for, as well as what products you will need for your specific job. Depending on your specific job, there is a different wand for carpets, upholstery, or grout and tiles. On the website, you will also see details of our 3 key cleaning products that will assist you clean your carpets, upholstery, and grout. If you are cleaning carpets, 500 ml of Britex carpet cleaning solution can clean 3 average-sized rooms. Our upholstery cleaner deep cleans upholstery and furniture. It's highly concentrated, and with easy-to-follow instructions on the pack, you will find it easy to use. Our powerful tile and grout cleaner cleans and revitalises. 500 ml will cover 60 square metres of tiles. Our upholstery wand is good for furniture, carpeted stairs, car seats and mats. Our tile and grout wand, used for floor tiles, is only available from Bunnings. Hiring a DIY Britex cleaning machine is easy. It's a good idea when you decide to hire to ring your closest store ahead of picking up your machine to ensure they have one and the accessories available. On arrival in store, simply have 2 forms of identification, including your driver's licence and mobile phone number, and you're good to go. Easy to transport, the machine fits snugly into most boots.